What's going on, all my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes? It's your boy Will back again, and as you can see, I'm about to do a ride along. Do a ride along with this fragrance. I got this not too long ago, and I haven't even worn it like a real wear. I've worn it around the house a little bit, but I'm gonna try it out, see how it works. This is Raw Human, and it's one of the newer ones. When I first unboxed it out, I wasn't really super excited about it, but maybe this changed my opinion. Maybe. Let's see. So let's go with my regular sprays. And from what I've seen from wearing it around the house, it's not a super strong performer. So I'm gonna spray a little overspray today. So, and then let's get a couple on my wrist. So this will be where I can test it. Couple behind my ear, central, and then I'm getting a little alcohol blast from this too. So, but it is what it is. All right, let's check it out. Let's see how it works. Oh, and it is 7:13 right now. Starting off cold today, but it's supposed to get a little bit warmer. So we'll see. This is really probably for colder weather, but I'm talking too much right now. I'll catch you back in a minute. What's going on, folks? So just doing a little update. Not that I need to really do an update because it is only 7:58. So obviously the fragrance is still going, but I got this big coat on now, so it's muffled a lot because of the additional layers. So for right now it's doing all right. We'll see how it works out for the rest of the day. I'll give you a check back in. Oh, and right now it was a lot colder than I thought it was. When I left earlier, when I checked in, when I first started, it was 36 degrees. Right now it is 39 degrees. So, but it's supposed to get up to, I think, like 60 degrees today. So we'll see. All right, I'll give you a check back in a little while. I am doing a check-in, and right now it's 10:03, and it's the fragrance is still there, but it's mildly there. But around about an hour ago, like around 9 o'clock, man, the fragrance, and I had taken my coat off, so maybe that's one of the reasons too, but the fragrance kicked in so loud. It was pushing so much, and it was so strong. It was like that rose kind of vibe. It smelled good, but it was just strong. Not strong to the point where I was like, I don't want to wear it, but it was just, aggressive. Much more aggressive than what it was when I first put it on. But yeah, so that's where I am right now. I'm at an event right now, so dad's work is never done. But yeah, all right, I'll give you guys a check-in a little bit. All right. Hey, all right, folks, I'm back in, doing a check-in, and it's been a long day. It's a short day, but it's been a long day. It is already, what time is it? It is, it's late. It's 2:37. Is that gonna come in?
In half a mile. At the roundabout, take the third exit on 10 Oaks Road.
2:37, right? So, now the fragrance on my clothes is almost gone, which is crazy because it's kind of like a skin scent on my skin. Like it feels like it's lasting longer on my skin than it lasted on my on my clothes, which is a little unusual, but it could be because I got all this on
In
too.
1,000 feet,
But
at the roundabout, take the
oh,
third
boy.
exit. Then at the
and
roundabout.
then my GPS is going off. But so yeah, it's been pretty good, and with it being 2:30, I mean it's been a long time. So I'll do another check-in in a little bit. All right. So I'm back in, and I was wrong. In my last check-in, I said the fragrance was off my clothes, and I just smell it on my wrist. I do smell it on my wrist. It's a skin scent. It's a sandalwood, like a sweet sandalwood, like almost like some fruits mixed with the sandalwood, and it smells good. This actually smells better than the opening and the mid to me anyway. But I said it was off of my clothes. It is not off my clothes. I smell it very well on my sweatshirt, and almost to the point where if someone's walking past me, they probably would smell it. So it is now 4:32, and the weather did get a little bit cooler, a little bit warmer. It went up to 58 degrees. I think right now it's 64 degrees. The weather did go up, but it is, let's see what it is. Oh yeah, it's 64 degrees right now. I don't know if that's going to come up, but it's 64 degrees now. But it's a cool 64. Like the wind is blowing a lot, and it feels cooler than 64 degrees outside to me anyway. It feels like it's like 55 degrees. So that being said, this is a long-lasting fragrance. It's lasting longer than I thought it was going to last. I have another event to go to later on this evening, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this right now. But this fragrance is still going. It's not dying out right now, especially on my sweatshirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop through the notes for Raw Human. Hey, what's going on, folks? It is late, but I just got back from my event that I told you I had another event to go to. I showered and I put a whole nother fragrance on. But this is the sweatshirt that I had on this morning or earlier today. And it still smells of the fragrance. The fragrance is a long-lasting fragrance. Oh, and right now it is 11 o'clock at night. So I started at 7 something this morning, and it's 11 o'clock at night now. So yes, it's a long-lasting fragrance. But yeah, just wanted to jump in and say that. All right, I'm out. Actually ended up being a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Raw Human by Lattafa. So the top notes are apricot, plum, and pink pepper. The mid notes are, it's just one mid note, osmanthus. The base notes are leather, olabdomon, and styrax. I smell something. I smell a wood. It smells like, on my skin anyway. My skin, it smells like here on my shirt, it smells more rosy, but on my skin, it smells more like a sandalwood, like a sweet sandalwood, like some fruit. Maybe the plum mixed with the sandalwood. That's what it kind of smells like. But on my shirt, it smells rosy, but there's no rose in it. Yeah, it smells almost like a rose and a oud combination, but sweeter. Yeah, so yeah, this fragrance actually ended up being better than I thought it was going to be. So I appreciate it. I like it. I'm glad that I have it. The dry down to me is a lot better than the opening and the mid. So take that with a grain of salt. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about this ride along fragrance of Raw Human. Actually, a lot better than I thought it was going to be. Glad I got it. Till next time, it's your boy Will. Deuces.